Hey, Jada, dance. All the little birdies on Jada Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, rockin' robin, you sure look good tonight. All the little birdies on Jada Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hey, Rockin' Robin, you sure look good tonight.
I think I know what's wrong. None of us is having enough sleep, and we all know what
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, the fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, her lamb was sure to go. Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. Followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. Made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Yay, Jada, woohoo!
Yeah, right. Yay, yay, Jada girl.
All the little birdies on Jada Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, she sees her toys in the 4-pack pile. Who sees her toys? All right. Go get the toy. Where's your baby doll?
Back up and we'll get some money.
You're the first customer I've had today. Is that right? Matter of fact, the whole week's been off, yeah?
There's your toys. There's your mess you left when you were here.
Repairs. I've been giving out tickets all day.
Mama gone grocery shopping.
That's right. Okay, right. Well, it must be going on quietly, because it sure ain't coming in here.
Let's put the gas in. What do you want?
Oh yeah, just go over there to the dirtiest thing, the fireplace.
I think I can clean up for them.
Yeah.
A good sponge mop, pail of water.
Yeah.
Down real good.
Oh, sponge would just tear up on that brick. Okay.
What's going on? What are you doing?
What? Put it in.
On my driveway. What is this?
Put it in. What you waiting on? Put the block in. There you go. There you go. You need Nana to show you how? What? Want Papa to help you or what? What? Don't pull up on that table. She's bringing you something, Papa. Gonna bump your head. Okay, here, I'll help you. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. How's that? Let's turn it on.
That's more than gold. That's your business.
Here we go.
This year's TV Land Awards. You know, I'm not like my daily character on every day. I'm humbled to share the stage with all the icons working on it. Robin Williams, John Winters, the cast of Steve Carell, Dustin Timberlake, Mike Myers, the Golden Girls. It's an honor. Just makes me think, wow, the Golden Girls are working on a stage show. You hear that, Betty White? Don't get ugly.
Goodbye.
Maybe,
always seems to know.
So there.
You like answers? Ask for the State Farm agent. Get advice and savings from the State Farm agent.
We're saving lots of money on our prescriptions with Walgreens Prescription Savings Club.
Walgreens' exciting new offer is perfect for those with limited or no prescription insurance. Just $20 a year for individuals and $35 for families gives you great savings on thousands of name brand and generic medications.
With Walgreens Prescription Savings Club, my 3-month supply of generics is just $12.99.
Bring in your prescription bottles and get a report showing how much you save. Plus, those can get clean.
Ooh, baby, you got found your baby now?
At Red Lobster, we're firing up the grill with new seafood creations just for you. Like new fire grill Maine lobster tails, seafood jumbo shrimp, new shrimp and scallops with a refreshing
Give the baby love. Give her love.
shrimp and chicken.
Mwah. Give the baby love.
For a short time only at Red Lobster. Come see what's fresh today.
Are you one of the millions of people struggling to
Give
learn
your baby love, Jada.
to our breakthrough software called Rosetta Stone? Learning a new language is now incredibly
Give her
easy
love.
and a whole lot faster.
Oh, that's a sweet girl. Sweet baby.
Rosetta Stone is so fast
Such
that
a sweet baby. Give her sweet eyes.
the U.S.
Give her
Army
sugar.
is Fortune 500 companies and is the world's leading language learning software.
It's almost like having your own person there teaching you, your own private tutor who is just very relaxed at home with you.
Jada, don't pull up on that baby.
Rosetta
No.
Stone is the fastest way to learn a new language. And to prove it, we'll send you our amazing demo CD absolutely free when you call.
Thank you.
Let it pull up.
I'm afraid it might fall over or something.
Fall over. Let's pull up.
Well, what if she falls back and hits her head on the floor?
Your head on the floor.
To learn a new language,
Hit mine on the head on the floor on purpose.
It's not called a hardwood floor for nothing. Hey, boo-boo. Be careful.
We're busy indeed down there. I was working on it and just made it better. Yesterday, I was painting my room and putting in food, adding another burner and ice block. Shucks, with all that, I'm not even thinking about getting married. But I just want to thank you. You're awesome.
Go say bye-bye.
You better be quiet. I think he wants to get some sleep. Don't change.
I'm not going bye-bye. Play the piano. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Today is June the 2nd, 2008. Monday, 8 p.m. Bareback. What? What you looking for? What?
Something's missing.
She's looking for it.
What you looking for?
What?
Why do I love my Voluminous mascara more than any other?
Well, come here.
Unlike some
Let me play with you.
eyelashes, 5 times fuller. So go ahead, wink 'em, blink 'em, love Voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. And now for lighter volume, there's new Voluminous Natural.
At eHarmony, we match you with other singles based on compatibility. And the best part is, you can review your matches absolutely free. Aren't you curious to see who you'd be matched with? Log on and review your matches for free. eHarmony.com.
Here's a tip from TV Land Style Patrol. Don't be a season pusher. Wearing shorts and flip-flops on the first moderately mild day of the year will not make summer come any earlier.
Play us a song, the piano girl.
To wear them.
Play us a song tonight.
Style, not well. You must
And we're all in the mood for a lullaby.
some style.
Play us a song tonight.
On TV Land.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh.
Play us a song, sweet music man. Play us a song tonight.
Summer at Kmart. With everything from aquatic thrills to Kenmore grills. Toys of all sorts to backyard sports. This summer, there's
What you laughing at?
Wait. Oh, you saw something on TV that was funny. Funny. Yours, Jada's baby. Jada's baby. Jada's baby. Clean the floor with her. What? You coming to Nana? Woo!
Why don't we let this man in our bedroom?
Baba. Oh my goodness. Well, Peppy, there's Dixie. Oh my goodness. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Come on, let's go play. Look at the yard. Look at the boat. Look at the beautiful fence. Oh my goodness. Go get the ball, Peppy. Get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah. Go get the ball. Oh my goodness. Oh, scratch. Oh, great. Look at that beautiful tree. Oh, my lantana, aren't they gorgeous? Dixie Mae, what you doing, girl? He's here to bark. Ruff. Ruff, ruff. Oh, excuse you. Achoo.